Hello everyone, tie the hairs as shown in the video on the sides and make the ponytail. Now using the hairstyling tool, we will rotate it. Tie it on the back and then again rotate it. Divide it into two parts and make the plaits. Fix it on the sides, make the plaits, fold it and it's ready. Next, we have to tie the hairs on the back or the sides like this. Now rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Now again take small section of the hairs, tie them and then rotate it. Now fix all the hairs by making the plaits till the end. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it using the bow pins like this and it's ready. Divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Now divide the hairs into two parts, join them on the sides, fold it and fix it on the top using the hairpins and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the top like this and then divide it. Make the plaits, fold it upward and fix it in the shape of a bow and put the hairpin in the between. Now fold the hairs on the top, fix it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to tie the hairs on the side and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides and join it in the between to make the plaits all together like this. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Tie the hairs on the sides and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits like this. After making the plaits, we will fix the hairs and then tie it like this. After tying the hairs, we will tie the hairs and fold it upward and then make a bun like this on the top. Take the hairs from the side and then join it like this in the line in the sides. Follow the same step for the other side by tying the hairs in the small sections. Pull out the hairs from the top like this. Now join the hairs on the sides by making the plaits. Put the hair clutches on it and it's ready. Taking the hairs on the sides and then divide it into small sections, make the plaits. Now join all the hairs. Make the plaits on it like this till the end and then we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. So roll it upward and fix it using the bun clips like this. Tying the hairs on the sides like this in the small sections, join them one by one, make the plaits on it and then join it. Tie the hairs like this and then fix the hairs in the line. Now tie all the hairs and fold it upward like this and fix it. You have to tie the hairs on the sides like this. Now join it on the back in the small sections by joining it. Take the hairs in the line, join them one by one. After that, fix the hairs on the sides by making the plaits and it's ready. We'll be tying the hairs on the top and then divide the hairs in the sides. Tie them in the small sections, join it on the top and then roll it down. Now fix it and it's ready. You have to tie the hairs on the sides like this and then join them in the lining way by making the plaits in the back. Now take the hairs till the back, follow the same step for the other side as well. Now make the ponytail on the back and join the hairs like this. Fix it on the top, make the plaits and then fold it to make a bun. Fix it using the hair bun pins like this. Take the hairs and then roll it. Now using this stick, we will roll the hairs upward to fix the bun. Tie it properly, roll it and fix it on the top like this. Clutch it and your hairstyle is almost ready. Take the hairs, tie it like this as shown in the video, make the plaits on it and then roll it upwards. Sit using the bun clutches and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.